What's going on, guys? My name is Josh. I go by I Need Bass. You can find me on YouTube. I do a lot of reviews on subwoofers. I have a really good time with doing it. But the reason for this video, I really want to show you guys that the difference between the cost of your lithium batteries, and what I mean is that you really need to buy this.
I also should add that they have cheaper batteries than this. So also, you don't even have to worry about paying all the money down. Like, you can actually pay in forward.
I'm not here to twist any arms, but if you compare that price with Jag 35 compared to another lithium battery, it's gonna save you so much money. And it's the same battery, but more. Do not, I repeat, do not get hustled anymore. Do not get hustled anymore. Go to Jag 35 right now, put this code in, I Need Bass, and it will save you 10% on your order. Let's get it.